Apple's $1 billion annual partnership with Google to power Siri AI represents a strategic shift toward external AI partnerships after 2 years of in-house development delays. The custom Gemini model running on Apple's infrastructure enables a redesigned conversational interface with voice and text support, integrating deeply with Apple's ecosystem for context-aware responses and device control. This partnership demonstrates that building competitive LLMs requires scale and resources beyond what individual companies can quickly develop. The arrangement allows Google to reach over 1 billion iPhone users while Apple maintains brand control and user interface authority, signaling industry consolidation towards specialized AI providers supplying capabilities across multiple platforms. The $725 billion hyperscaler capital plan reflects a strategic shift toward custom silicon to optimize costs and reduce NVIDIA dependency. Google's TPUs, now available commercially through cloud partnerships and a $5 billion Blackstone joint venture, delivered decade-long optimization for tensor processing. Microsoft's Maya 200 accelerator handles inference workloads while NVIDIA remains dominant for training. This vertical integration of chip design represents production-stage infrastructure optimization, reducing inference costs, latency, and power consumption. Custom silicon is expected to capture 20 to 30% of hyperscaler workloads, compressing NVIDIA margins while maintaining strong overall AI demand. Computex 2026 demonstrated IoT's evolution from connectivity infrastructure to comprehensive edge intelligence platforms processing data locally. Rather than transmitting telemetry to cloud systems, industrial deployments now run inference locally on edge gateways, dramatically reducing bandwidth and decision latency. Practical applications include vision-based quality inspection at production line speeds, vibration monitoring detecting anomalies weeks early, and predictive maintenance without cloud dependencies. Docker containerization enables standardized analytics deployment across distributed gateway fleets. This decentralized intelligence model addresses critical industrial needs for real-time responsiveness, where cloud latency could cause production losses or safety issues. Waymo's partnership with Geely Zeekr marks maturation from experimental to industrial-grade autonomous vehicles engineered specifically for Level 4 robotaxi service. Purpose-built vehicles eliminate unnecessary consumer features, steering wheels, pedals, dashboards, optimizing layouts for passenger comfort and fleet utilization. The Zeekr partnership provides manufacturing scale and cost advantages critical for sustainable fleet economics, while Waymo maintains full control of autonomous driving software. Deployment across San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Phoenix expands from pilot zones toward regional service, demonstrating whether profitable autonomous robotaxi economics can operate at scale in high-demand urban geographies. Uber's 500-vehicle AV Labs initiative repositions the company as infrastructure provider for the autonomous ecosystem rather than technology developer. After divesting to Aurora in 2020, Uber recognized that independent AV platforms face prohibitive data collection costs. Sensor-equipped Ioniq 5 vehicles create a distributed data collection network capturing diverse driving scenarios across major metropolitan areas. The collected data video, point clouds, positioning signals, and edge cases becomes a shared resource for Waymo, WeRide, and startups, accelerating development without proprietary fleet investments. This strategy monetizes Uber's distribution and operating experience, while the company focuses on core fleet operations, outsourcing autonomous algorithms to specialists. Amazon's discontinuation of Amazon One Palm biometric retail service represents a strategic course correction after 6 years of limited mainstream adoption. While technically viable, merchants and consumers preferred familiar payment methods or emerging multimodal biometrics. Industry consensus now favors layered authentication, combining face, fingerprint, and voice recognition for security and confidence. Healthcare partnerships like NYU Langone indicate selective sunset rather than complete abandonment. Amazon now focuses resources on multimodal biometric frameworks, leveraging existing device sensors. The shutdown demonstrates that even well-funded companies struggle establishing entirely new biometric modalities when advantages over established alternatives are marginal. Samsung's Project Muhan marks a pivotal point for spatial computing as the first Android XR device, validating platform strategy that transformed mobile from proprietary to open ecosystem. Google's collaboration brings open-source philosophy to XR, creating alternatives to Apple's Vision Pro vertical integration. Android XR differentiates through AI-powered, context-aware interfaces, understanding physical environments, and responding intelligently without explicit commands. This platform strategy mirrors smartphone evolution, Apple's initial dominance followed by ecosystem expansion as lower-cost open alternatives gain traction. Muhan gives Samsung first-mover advantage in Android XR hardware, establishing market presence before iPhone 18. AI convergence with spatial computing creates proactive intelligence assistance understanding context rather than passive display mediums. BYD's custom 4nm autonomous driving chip represents significant technological achievement and strategic statement about Chinese automotive competition in autonomous systems. Proprietary semiconductor development optimizes hardware-software co-design while reducing external supplier dependency. The $14 billion three-year R&D commitment signals autonomous vehicle technology as critical competition battleground. BYD's vertical integration batteries, EVs, software, custom semiconductors creates competitive advantages difficult for traditional automakers to match. Access to 4nm process nodes through TSMC partnerships reflects BYD's position as global battery powerhouse. Unlike Western automakers proceeding cautiously with Level 2 to 3 systems, BYD's aggressive Level 3 to 4 development mirrors broader Chinese strategy of rapid iteration and domestic deployment, forcing global competitors to accelerate investment. Hyperscalers discover that unlimited capital cannot overcome infrastructure bottlenecks requiring decades to construct. Significant 2027 capacity remains unstarted, with permitting consuming 12 to 18 months and grid integration requiring years of planning. The U.S. electrical grid, designed for centralized fossil fuel plants, struggles integrating renewable energy while powering multiple hyperscale clusters. Some regions face hard capacity ceilings, where additional data centers would require shutting down other industrial operations. This infrastructure mismatch infinite capital meeting finite capacity drives regional divergence. Areas with excess power see rapid build-out, while power-constrained regions lag. Over time, AI compute may concentrate in regions with abundant, cheap renewable energy regardless of tech company headquarters proximity. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more content and stay updated with the latest technology news.